Hello and welcome to KNIPEX Workshop TV. My name is Nico Boden and today we're looking at our KoBolt S. The versions come with or without a recess on the cutting edge. As product manager, I'm responsible for the in-house development of this little powerhouse. Efficient leverage enables the KoBolt S to generate up to 25 times more force compared to using just your hands, despite its short length. It can even cut through piano wire up to 3.3 millimeters in diameter. To ensure that the cutting materials remain in the insertion position during cutting so that you use as much as possible of the 25 times amplification of hand strength, we have lasered the cutting edges. This prevents the material from sliding away from the joint and up towards the front. This compact bolt cutter is extremely compact and convenient. It's only 160 millimeters long, and its compact head also makes it possible to cut in very tight spaces. On top of that, it fits in your pocket. The KoBolt S is the latest product in the range. The name KoBolt is composed of compact and bolt cutter. Those are the key benefits of this range. Despite their small size, they pack quite a punch. That's precisely why they are so useful in the workplace. We offer the myriad benefits of the product group in various designs, so that there is always a KoBolt that's ideal for your needs. These include various lengths from the 160mm, 200mm and 250mm KoBolt XL. We have different handles, plastic handles or multi-component handles for greater comfort. We also have different heads, one that is straight and one that is angled. For people who cut things frequently, there is also an option with an opening spring. For working at height, there's also a handy tether attachment point for fall protection. This range also has a version featuring a recess in the cutting edge. At first glance, the benefit of this recess may not be apparent. The major advantage is that the user can, assuming that the length is the same, cut materials with less effort than would be the case with no recess in the cutting edge. And why is this the case? The further away the material to be cut is from the pivot point in the joint on the pliers, the less effective the applied force becomes. The thicker the material I want to cut, the greater the distance from the pivot point. For the version with the recess, the same material is notably closer to the joint. This means far less force is required to cut it. That's also why the KoBolt S with a recess in the cutting edge has a greater cutting capacity for round materials compared to the model with a straight cutting edge. That model is better suited for cutting flat materials. The list of applications is rounded off, even for the smallest KoBolt, with a corrugated stop surface below the joint. This simple tool can be used for gripping, levering and pulling. To conclude, the powerful KoBolt S compact bolt cutter has even greater cutting capacity due to an integrated recess. At less than 160 millimeters in length and weighing less than 200 grams, it is ideal for everyday use, even for smaller hands.